Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Discord overlay. So first of all, simply open Discord application on your desktop or your laptop, or you can also come here on discord.com in your web browser. Now, when you sign in into your Discord account, you just have to simply click on this user settings here in the bottom. Then in the left hand side, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of game overlay. Now, if you don't see this particular option inside your web browser, that's completely normal. Discord's traditional game overlay is not available in the browser version, so it requires you to basically download the Discord desktop application on the supported Windows computer. So in order to download it, you will find the option of download application here on the home page of Discord. You can also download it from the Microsoft Store. So after downloading it, you just have to do nothing but to just simply log in into your account inside the desktop app, and then simply click on the option of user settings. Then in the left hand side, you will find the option of game overlay. Simply select that option and turn on the option of enable overlay. So then you can start your game and use the Discord overlay shortcut in order to open the Discord without leaving the game. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.